Hi, welcome back dear all students. Today we're gonna discuss about HTML list. It would be our lesson 11 from our web designing course. HTML list is very essential and important feature of web HTML code. With these, a developer can insert the list of a similar item to insert into their website. Let's go and have a look the example by practically doing it. It will be more helpful for you, I believe. So to do that, I'm here in Visual Studio Code, Microsoft Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna start doing the code now. Let's make the heading first, H2. Once you write H2, the starting tag and tag will come automatically. This is the magic of this Visual Studio Code. Let's write list of brothers name under with unordered list. Unordered list. By the way, let me tell you one thing, that list is in HTML. List is two types. One is unordered, another is ordered, and other one is similar item, or like when you put the list not in order or not in unordered, but you want to put the list in a just with the name, then there will be the another one. So basically it's three kinds of list. So first I'm doing unordered list, as you can see here, and now just write down ul, and you can see the code is coming automatically. So you just click here and then press enter. Now just write li, press enter, then write down milon. It's the first brother's name, and let's write down the second one. You can see I'm writing the second brother's name, third, fourth, and fifth. So this code is saying that the list of name of the five brothers, which is we're gonna show with unordered list into the website. The website that I have generated into the folder where it is here in my website. This is the file. Now if I just double click on it, you will see these are all result of my previous code. The latest code that I just done now, it is here. This is the one. So as you can see, list of brother name with unordered list, Milan, Noyan, Ripon, Kiran, Hiran. So these are unordered because it doesn't have the serial number here. Just the first point is just dot 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 5 dot. It's unordered list. So now let's go to the code again to do the ordered list. All you need to do, just copy paste the whole code, and instead of U, just put O here at the beginning and at the closing end. And inside this beginning and ending code, ending tag, you can, the other code, other tag is li. So it's li means list. List is in both cases, you need to write the same tag. Only the difference is this one, the first one, beginning code for unordered list, and beginning code of ordered list. So I believe now it will gonna show you the whole five names into the according to the serial from 1 to 5. But before that, just to make it look more beautiful, I mean, like in a professional way, you can write list of brothers name with ordered list. That's it. Let's go and refresh the page. Just refresh, press enter, it will refresh and go to the last result. You can see here, this is the result of the ordered list. And the third list, types of list, I will show you in my next video. Until then, be good, be safe, and thanks for your time to watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any kind of question, you can leave a note under the video, or just make a comment inside the comment box. Just give me the question. I'll reply you as quick as possible. Thank you very much for your time. Take care. Bye bye.